If you made it to this video, you're looking for a new CRM and you're exploring options on maybe saving some money or maybe upgrading your CRM or finding a better solution for your technology. I started the business in 2002. I actually never had a CRM all the way up until 2008. I was just using paper. I was using Excel spreadsheets. I was using Post-it notes. That was pretty much my CRM. And we all know that it's very, very important if you want to be a successful originator, that you definitely want to have a system to be able to organize all of your contacts, all of your leads, have a very good system for your process from start to finish on starting your escrows and closing your escrows, and then your post-closing process as well. And so in 2008, I signed up for Salesforce. And from 2008 all the way up until about a year and a half ago, I used Salesforce and I customized it. I spent thousands and thousands of dollars on customizing my Salesforce, hours and hours of customization. So I love Salesforce. The only problem with Salesforce is they were charging me $150 per user. And as I scaled up, I had to sign a full year's worth of contracts for each person that I brought on. That means my loan officer assistant, my front desk manager, my processors, everyone that had an account had to do a 1-year contract. That was great when we were growing, but when the market contrasted, interest rates went up and I needed to scale down my team, well, Salesforce wouldn't let me do that. I had to continue paying for my CRM, even though I didn't have the users that were using the system. And this is true for most CRMs, Total Expert, Surefire, all of these other CRMs. They're charging per user and they want you to have a commitment for each year that you're on with them as a service. And so in 2022, as the market came down, Salesforce hit my credit card for $18,000. And I called them up and I said, oh, wait a second. I only need 3 users. I scaled my business way down. And they came back and said, Pete, I'm really sorry, but because we hit your credit card, you just signed up for another year contract with all 15 of your users. So I spent $18,000. I was very burnt out with Salesforce. So I started looking and I came across this amazing system called Go High Level. And if you don't know what Go High Level is, it was created to help small businesses get leads, create lead generation, and also convert those leads as well. So they've been around for like the last 7 to 8 years. And over the last 7 to 8 years, their system has gotten better and better and better. So what I was able to do over the last year is I fully customized the CRM for the mortgage business. So if you're looking for a CRM, I created exactly what I had in Salesforce from start to finish, from lead coming in to closing and post-closing. I created the same exact system that I had built out in Salesforce in Go High Level. And the beautiful thing now that I'm on Go High Level, the best way I could explain it, even comparing it to Salesforce, it's like driving a brand new Porsche versus driving an old Honda Civic. Salesforce was really hard to understand. I had to spend hours and hours on tutorials and hours with customer service and spend thousands of dollars with other developers to help me get what I wanted in the mortgage business for the process. I call it the perfect loan process. So what I built out in this CRM is a perfect loan process, a blueprint of the entire process from start to finish. I have templates and automations for application. Just to give you one example of an automation that I built out is the application process. Most credit companies are charging $50 just for a tri-merge soft credit. So if you have 2 borrowers and you pull a tri-merge for both of them, it's $100 for you to get just a soft credit pull. And we all know that we're doing soft credit pulls so that the client's not getting hundreds of solicitations by doing a hard inquiry. So this has been a huge expense for me, and I'm sure it's been a huge expense for you as well. I started this automation and 90% of all my borrowers are go ahead and just pay for the credit report. It's frictionless and it's amazing, and you will be able to have this day one and not having to pay for your soft credit pulls anymore. This is just one example. So I built out a blueprint from the entire process from start to finish. Now, many people are using the Go High Level service to get leads and to convert their leads. So you'll be able to do that as well because it has the entire system with you for the $297 a month. Oh, and by the way, with Dream Big CRM, we created an amazing, efficient API that connects with your Encompass, with your Arrive, whatever LOS system that you're using. We'll connect to that, and that way it's seamless. And what I want to do quickly is show you just some of the features and how it's going to benefit you and your business, and why you might consider switching your current CRM to Dream Big CRM. So the first thing is the mortgage CRM. You might be paying $97 to $150 per user. Well, with Dream Big CRM, you won't have to do that anymore. You're going to get unlimited users for $297 a month. And then you get these features as well. And trust me, this isn't all the features. I'm just naming just a few. So the email service, email marketing, it's going to replace BombBomb, Constant Contact, MailChimp, Active Campaign, and even HubSpot. Two-way text message. The two-way text message is awesome. It's a beautiful user experience. It has a dashboard of two-way text messaging. And by the way, that two-way dashboard, you can also see every single email. You can see every single Facebook message that comes in. You can see every single Instagram message that comes in. You can see every single phone call. And remember, it's not just you, it's also your team. And I made this very, very easy for you and your team to transition into Dream Big CRM. I created 32 different training videos of how you can implement this and get started day one using the Dream Big CRM. You know, they say this best CRM is the one that you use, and I'm very confident you will use this CRM. So the voice over IP phone system, this is going to replace Ring Central or maybe 8x8. The calendar booking, it's going to replace your Calendly or HubSpot. It has a beautiful workflow automations, and I've built out over 60 automations for the entire loan process from start to lead all the way to loan closing and post-closing for you. You have a ton of automations already built out, but this is going to replace Salesforce, HubSpot, or maybe even Active Campaign. Review management. So there's businesses that only use this service for their review management. Once I started using their review management, my reviews went through the roof. You can look them up. I've gotten over 20 reviews in the last 2 weeks just from putting this automation into place for your perfect blueprint loan process, and your 5-star reviews are going to go through the roof. Website builder, it has a full website builder. So if you want to build extra websites, or maybe you don't have a website, you need to get a website, we have mortgage templated websites for you. Unlimited sales funnels. If you want to build out some sales funnels, create some leads, help realtors, you can build some sales funnels with you and your realtor partners. I used to pay ClickFunnels $300 a month just to have sales funnels, and now you get it with your CRM and your monthly cost. Website chatbot. So it has a beautiful chatbot that you can put right on your website. If you don't have a chatbot, you're missing out on capturing really good quality leads. I put this on my website, and I've already closed a couple loans from having my website chatbot being able to talk right there. And the next thing I'm going to tell you, that I connected an AI bot to my website chatbot. Say that 10 times fast. I connected my AI bot to my website chatbot, and the AI actually talks to the customer 24/7 and will help you book appointments right there on your website. You can also connect this chatbot to your Instagram, to your Facebook, to any kind of messaging platform. It'll even text people automatically, chat back and forth via two-way text messaging via Facebook or Instagram. It's an amazing service that you have to start using for your mortgage business. There's companies already out there just selling the AI feature of Go High Level for $300-400 a month, and you don't even get a mortgage CRM with it. You're going to have to pay your mortgage CRM plus have this as well. Here you get everything together. Surveys and forms to connect with your funnels and websites. Voicemail drops. So this is going to replace your slide broadcast. You might be paying slide broadcast to send out voicemails. If you're not, it's okay. It's an amazing way to connect with your past clients. I send voicemail drops to my entire database. Over 2,000 customers, they get a voicemail on the holidays saying, hey, Happy New Year. I hope you have a wonderful year with you and your family. This is an amazing way for you to connect with your past clients and also your pre-approved buyers with dropping a voicemail into their phone. It's another touch point that gets more brain sales. Each one of these features is going to cost you extra money. And there's some companies out there like Conversation AI, they're going to charge you like $300-400 a month just to have the AI feature for your business and two-way text messaging. And then you also have to have your mortgage CRM. So why not have your mortgage CRM, your AI, your calendars, your two-way text messaging, your email marketing, everything in one system, all for $297 a month for unlimited users. So below this video, I put a link where you can book a demo with me, or you can go ahead and get started and get a 15-day free trial. Here's the process. If you did want to get started, 15-day free trial, we're going to help you migrate your entire database into this new CRM. So it's going to be frictionless. We'll do the entire process for you. In addition to that, we have weekly videos, live videos with me and my partner that answers all your questions as you're getting started. And let's say you want to build out some workflows, you want to build out some funnels, or you want to customize it even more. You take the perfect loan process blueprint that I built out for you, and you can customize it. You can make it your own. You can add to it. You can take away. We will help you do that on our weekly calls. We also have an amazing community where you can can join and also ask questions with any other users that are on the system. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate it. You can go ahead and schedule your demo or get started right away. Thank you so much, and hopefully we'll talk to you very soon. See ya.